could be around the next corner. You can't see it, you can't hear it, but it can knock you out in one breath and kill you within minutes. My name is Jeremy Jones, and I'm a health and safety coordinator for an oil and gas company, and this silent killer in the oil field is a poisonous gas known as hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide, or H2S, is produced by the breakdown of organic matter, human and animal waste, and it occurs naturally in crude oil and natural gas. H2S is a very deadly gas, but it can be managed and worked around safely by training, engineering, controls, and monitoring. Training is one of the most important tools used to inform workers exposed to H2S of the physical hazards and characteristics of the gas. The training is usually an hour long and instructed by a certified instructor. Some of the physical hazards that may occur are nausea, coughing, eye irritation, respiratory tract irritation, and at high levels, unconsciousness and or death by asphyxiation. Some characteristics of H2S are it is extremely toxic, ranking second to hydrogen cyanide, and is 5 to 6 times more toxic than carbon monoxide. It is colorless and heavier than air, with a vapor density of 1.18, or in air is 1.0, so it will settle in low-lying areas. Engineering controls remove or reduce the hazard through design such as flare to burn off the gas or through preventative maintenance programs. Monitoring equipment is used to detect H2S concentrations in areas of concern. There are 3 common types of monitors used in the oil field. The first type is a fixed monitor that is set up in one location, like at a tank battery, and is set to alarm at a preset concentration of 10 parts per million. The second type, and the most commonly used in the oil field, and one of the most important, is the personal H2S monitor. The personal monitor is a small monitor that can be clipped and worn throughout the day to alert you of H2S in your area, and like the fixed monitor, is set to alarm at 10 parts per million. The third type is a direct read monitor and is used in special operations such as confined space entry, and will read the actual concentrations being monitored. Although you can't see or hear hydrogen sulfide gas, it is possible to work around this deadly gas safely. With proper training, good engineering controls, and the use of monitors, you too can be safe from this silent killer known as H2S.